6,653 square meters of lush gardens with waterfalls and fountains and an infinity pool and the best views you can imagine. 9 bedrooms and 9 bathrooms over 3 floors. And this is one of the greatest locations in all of Marbella. So take all this together and there's nothing quite like it. So as soon as you walk in here, you get a sense of how grand this place really is. I mean, look at this flowing staircase. It's something special. It's modern mixed with Mediterranean. But let me tell you something, this house is big. It's 2,000 square meters set between 9 bedrooms and 9 bathrooms over 3 floors. And quite frankly, it has some features that would make a 5-star hotel blush. A spa, a cinema. I'm just going to show you it. Come with me. And when it comes to living space, well, really, you have your pick each day, because on that side, you have a huge dining area. On that side, you have a lovely, cozy fireplace seating area. And then you have this seating area, which of course frames these incredible views that makes this house so special. But let's check out the garden. And of course, for a house this grand, you'd expect gardens that were just as grand, and this really doesn't disappoint. However, what we must talk about is the location. And this is one of the greatest locations in all of Marbella. I know I say that often, and there are amazing places, but very few have this much to offer. We're talking about 2 restaurants, 2 clubhouses, 2 golf courses. You've got everything, including an equestrian center. And for those who are thinking about safety, this is the most locked down, fortified space I've ever been in. You have to show your passport to get in here. It's incredible. And now we're going to look at the basement, and believe me, this is one of the best parts of the house. Follow me. And finally, the indoor pool. So that's a full spa. That's got a Turkish bath, you've got a sauna, you've got a steam room, you've got a cold room. In fact, there's no reason to ever leave here, except maybe one. Follow me. This is possibly my favorite room in the whole house, although it's hard to pick. The cinema. Look at the size of this space. In fact, I could imagine taking my friends, family, people I've never met, and trying to pay for a middle seat so I'm not that far away from the screen. But one thing I love about this place is the second it gets dark. Oh, the stars on the ceiling are so pretty. So it's official. All of you guys saying that you have amazing views? Sorry, you don't. Check out these views from your master suite. We're not talking about one view, we're talking about 3 views. And by 3 views, I mean, there's Spain, shore and the sea. There's Gibraltar, that's another country. There's Africa, so that's 3 views for the price of 1. I'm sorry. Anyway, it's been so much fun looking at this house. And if you guys want to see this house or know more, check out the link below. And don't forget to subscribe. But for now, I'm out. See you later.